Hi everyone. We are starting with the experiment now, which were performed to prove or to check DNA is the genetic material or not. The first experiment, which is considered as the first step, is known as Griffith experiment of transformation. Before we talk about the experiment, conclusions, and everything about this, let us see what exactly the scientists used for this experiment. As the name tells us, it was Griffith. The full name of the scientist is Frederick Griffith, who performed this experiment. He performed this experiment in 1928. He used Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria for his experiment, which is responsible for causing particular type of pneumonia in case of mice. So one organism he used in his experiment is Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria and the other organism is mice. He observed two types of strain of this bacteria in nature. One type of strain is smooth type or S type and the another type of strain is rough type or R type bacteria. What are the special features of these smooth and rough type of bacteria? Smooth type of bacteria is capsulated, as it consists of shiny smooth capsule covering around its surface. And the rough type of bacteria is non-capsulated, as capsule covering is absent in this case. Various strain of these bacteria occur in nature. Smooth type of bacteria occur in nature as a S1, S2, S3 and so on type. Similarly, rough type also exist in various strains like R1, R2, R3 and so on. Smooth type of bacteria is virulent or pathogenic in nature. What is the meaning of virulent or pathogenic is in nature? As it is able to cause pneumonia, and the R type bacteria is non-virulent or non-pathogenic, as it is not able to cause pneumonia. Griffith chose S third and R second type of bacteria for their experiment. Now we talk about their experiment. What he did first, he injected S strain virulent variety of bacteria into mice. And what he observes, as S strain is virulent or pathogenic in nature, it causes pneumonia in case of mice and mice died. In next experiment, he injected R strain into mice. And what he observes, as R strain of bacteria is non-pathogenic in nature, no pneumonia causes and mice survived. In the third experiment, what he did, he injected heat-killed S strain bacteria into mice. There is no symptoms of pneumonia and mice survive in this case because bacteria is killed due to heating. In the next experiment, he take the mixture of heat-killed S cells and the live R strain and injected into mice this mixture. What do you observe? Symptoms of pneumonia appear in case of mice and the mice died. He concluded that heat-killed S-type bacteria somehow caused transformation of R-type bacteria into S-type bacteria. But he was not able to understand the cause of this bacterial transformation. He further stated that some transforming principle transferred from heat-killed S strain and enabled R second to synthesize capsule covering and become virulent. That's why pneumonia is caused and the mice died. But biochemical nature of genetic material was not defined from this experiment. What he concluded कि something from heat killed S type bacteria R टाइप बैक्टीरिया को S टाइप बैक्टीरिया में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. बट कैसे, किस तरह से ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ है उसको वो एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाया. ही फर्दर कॉन्क्लूडेड कि एस टाइप हीट किल बैक्टीरिया से कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग प्रिंसिपल आर सेकेंड बैक्टीरिया के अंदर चले जाते हैं और आर सेकेंड बैक्टीरिया के अंदर कैप्सूल की सिंथेसिस को स्टिमुलेट करते हैं. कैप्सूल बन जाने की वजह से आर सेकेंड टाइप कन्वर्टेड इनटू एस थर्ड टाइप एंड बिकम विरुलेंट एंड कॉजेस निमोनिया. बट जेनेटिक मटेरियल की जो बायोकेमिकल नेचर थी उसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाया ग्रिफिथ, और ये नहीं बता पाए कि जेनेटिक मटेरियल एक्चुअल में क्या है जो कि एस स्ट्रेन की प्रॉपर्टीज को आर सेकेंड में ट्रांसफर कर सकता है. Performed his experiment in 1928. After 16 years later, in 1944, there were three scientists named Avery, McLeod, and McCarthy. They tried the same experiment with certain additional things. And what actually they continued the Griffith experiment with certain additional things and gave us conclusion. They analyzed the tissue of mice who had died and they found live S third type. What does this mean here? As this heat killed S third is not able to become live, but there is something in heat killed S third which is capable of converting this R second into S third type. That's why it is known as transformation. Transformation means to change the form. R second is rough strain. It means something from S third entered into R second and stimulate capsule synthesis in R second and transform it into S third type. Another thing they did, they used certain enzymes to find the result. They use proteases enzyme. What is the function of proteases? As it digests the protein. And found the same result. As nothing changed, that means protein is not able for this transformation. Then they use RNase enzyme which digest RNA. Here also they receive the same result. So RNA is also not a transforming principle. Then they use DNase enzyme which digests DNA. Here they did not find the same result. That means the molecule responsible for such transformation is DNA. And this proved that DNA is the genetic material here which converts R second type of bacteria into S third type. So from heat kill S third type of bacteria, DNA enter into R second type of bacteria and stimulate their capsule synthesis, and that's why R second is converted into S third type of bacteria and causes pneumonia in case of mice, and then the mice died due to appearance of the pneumonia in them. So from this experiment, Griffith confirmed that DNA is the genetic material which carry their properties to the next organism. This is all about in this video. Hope the topic is very much clear to you all. Thank you so much.